Hey guys, welcome to the designsketchbook.com. I'm Chou-Tac, and today we are going to draw 59 earbuds. Uh, my goal right here is to draw 59 earbuds, basically as many earbuds as I can by filling my canvas all along, all around. So I took a very huge canvas of 5,000 pixel times 3,000 pixel. I'm sketching with the app Sketchbook Pro. So I invite you to try that one because it's really minimalistic and I really love the quality of line that you can draw with. It's super easy to use. So what I'm going to do right here is to draw a lot of earbuds, and I'm going to explain to you how I do. Basically is to start with general, then you go to details. So what you want to do is to draw with intuition. When you draw like this earbud, I'm not trying to plan everything in advance. I'm not trying to plan that, trying to have the whole picture in my mind and then draw it. No, I just draw the line and then I figure it out along the way. It's like using the happy accident. Like you are living your intuition. You need as a designer also to build that intuition because this is what is going to help you to create your own sketching style. Because my intuition and your intuition is not going to be the same, even though we want to practice fast sketching, the way that you're going to draw from your inspiration, from your story, from what you have in mind on the spot, or from the reference picture that you are using, we are going to draw totally different things. This is why, as a designer, it's really interesting to give some space for randomness, give some space for things that are part of your personality that are not really easy to describe because it's going to help you to draw with your feelings. In other words, instead of trying to build a whole picture in your mind from start, try to feel things. Are you trying to feel like for this one something which is more round, something that is more like childish somehow? Are you going to try to have the feeling of something which is more organic, something which is more mechanical, something which is more technological, and so on? For this one, I like to add like the body and the gum, some contrast. The gum, I leave it white on purpose, and the body have a lot of details to give some contrast on here. And I like the connection, which is just like two little tooth or dent, which I felt like was pretty interesting for here, making trying to make something new. So I keep going, trying to draw with a lot of intuition. And here I had like a hole inside instead of usage. Feel that earphone is not always about giving 100% of the sound. We are not always looking for 100% of the quality. Maybe if you are walking in the street in the city, maybe you are cycling. You want to be aware also of the sound that is outside. What if there's a hole inside your earphone, right? So you will have the sound of the music, but so also being aware around. So that's what you want to do. So looking for inspiration from user story and scenarios. Try to get also from your own experience as well if you can catch some ideas. Okay, let's carry on. We're already at 13. So if you make mistakes, don't worry, you can just erase and continue. And if you draw with this exercise on paper, it's okay, you just iterate and draw on top or beside, you can redo. Here that the benefit with tablet, I can erase and then continue to sculpt it around. Here we go. I like to add some value for some buttons. See, they're all using with some hatching. So I like to draw different forms. Here I clean it so I can add the texture of it on it. Let's carry on. This one is more like arm, something like muscles. And here is like little dent behind because of volume touch. I like it because it's more tactile. I have a headphone that is just a flat surface and I kind of hate it. I like to have the feeling that whenever I'm adjusting the volume, I have a response. Here we go, let's continue. L like left. Dun, 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 dun. So keep exploring, don't ask yourself too much questions. Just draw first and then figure it out along the way, okay? That's the part of the rule right here. What if there's a small screen to personalize on the side? Let's continue. So every single sketch is done so fast that it helps you to commit to draw in the first hand, but also avoid to fall in love with your sketch. The reason why what I want you guys to have the habit to is to draw, and then if it's wrong, it's not a big issue for you. You can just redraw another one. You feel like, oh, whatever, let's go to the next one. Why? Because you didn't commit too long. So this one is the idea of being earrings. What if the earbud will be a jewel as well, accessories of fashion? Let's continue. So we like to also think with what if for the scenarios. So it's help you to be more innovative and bring some design that could be quite unexpected. So let's continue. So I have some pictures of Minority Report, of Oblivion, Star Wars, all these kind of forms of spaceship that I have been enjoying drawing. These things that I can import right here. Here we go. Let's continue. I like the Nike logo. Why not? Making some earbud that are sporty. Yeah, actually you can also try to think of brands. If you're designing for Sony, Bose, UBL, Nike, Muji, of course the design are going to be a lot different. So it can be for fun, it can be interesting for you guys to imagine that you're working for a specific brand and draw the earbud for it. That will be also a good way to personalize your work and having a way to get started also. Because what I want here is to fight the blank page syndrome once again. Because whenever we have the blank page, we don't know what to draw. Here's from Maruta inspiration, where if the earbud got antenna, and this antenna make me feel like American Indian feather. Why not? Okay, let's continue. So number 30 right here, which is going to have a structure that is empty, and then the gum which is trapped inside, and I do the hatching for the inside surface to give more contrast. This one is more like a little creature, make it quite cute. Like imagine a little creature going inside your ears and playing music inside. Let's carry on. Also inspired by the tactile volume with a head that you can rotate to adjust the earbud in your ear. This one I saw someone in a video who was doing pottery and slam it on the table, and he gave this kind of shape. And what if for the technology there was some micro sound funnels inside? Why not? Feel free to try to draw with different angles. It's like some cut bamboo somehow that would funnel the sound all along. That could maybe have some features for different type of sound. Let's carry on. So some of them, if you feel that you're not satisfied or you don't want to go too much into the detail, it's okay, just keep it. Go to the next one. You can always come back to them later on if you want to. Trying to look for more white spaces. 41 already. Okay, let's continue. So it took me a total 2 hours to complete. So what I can recommend you guys to do, go to a cafe, bring your tablet, it can be your iPad, it can be your laptop with your Wacom tablet. Sit and draw without looking at the time. Take some reference pictures, it can help you. And something important is that even though this is really random, I really recommend you guys to practice your perspective. So download the Designer Starter Kit right here, which is going to help you to make your first steps as in design sketching, as a beginner in design sketching. Because even though it's organic, if your perspective is wrong, that would just feel awkward. So you will actually make it a lot better if your perspective is strong. Let's continue. So 49, carry on right here. So I draw the main volume, sometimes two, then I connect them. Main volume, then I personalize it, and then I draw the details. See the order? big picture and then the details. That's really like the random product technique right here. That I will give you the link at the end of the video. Alright, let's continue. I'm going faster and faster right here. 57. So practice to spend more or less time. Also practice with different level of details, level of technology, details inside. Okay, so I hope you're having fun. So once again, I invite you to get started with the designer starter kit right here. So you can download it. The link is in the description below. There's 58 pages waiting for you. And then you can just carry on with the random product technique tutorials. See you.